core purples and let's see what we got. Ooh. Yeah, I'm turning that up. Such a nice shade of purple. This is like perfect. Just what I had in mind. Taking a closer look at mine, I kind of found a few flaws just over here. Really small, like scuff marks, it seems like, or scratches, but really don't care. I'm going to be wearing these anyways, so not a big deal. It is what it is. One major difference I noticed between my 2018 Game Royals and these is the tag is leather now. The shoes are more expensive now, so maybe that's what it went toward, but I don't know. But overall, quality seems really nice, aside from that little marking over here. But not a huge deal, like I said. But looking forward to wearing these for sure. Now, it comes with two laces. The black ones you see here, along with these really whack purple ones. They're not even like one color purple. It's almost like a tie-dye. Not really, but it's just really weird. But if you compare them to the actual shoe, they do not match at all. So I don't quite understand what the thinking was about that. I'm sure if you found like purple laces that match the shoe itself, would be awesome. Yeah, they don't match at all. I'm not going to be using those for sure. So this is my first pair of 2020 shoes so far, and I can't say the quality of this seemed pretty good. I know a lot of the new pairs are using the tumbled leather, which I'm really not a huge fan of for the OGs, this is very similar to the Game Royal in that construction, and probably very similar to the Core Purple 1.0s, which also have this sort of smoother leather. Feels nice for sure. Just for comparison here, my Game Royals from 2018, the quality of leather is very similar. Obviously these are broken in. I wore them basically, I'd say the most of all my Jordans. I wore these the most for the past year. They're 2018s, but I've had them for only a year, I want to say. So, you know, not too bad in the wear. I beat these things up though. I wear them all the time. I take them out to places I probably shouldn't. I'll throw some pics up right now. I've gotten really, really dirty, but I'm able to clean them up. I think I've only gotten a few scuffs. Not on this shoe, but the other shoe there are a few scuffs on the side, but I need to patch those up, or paint over them rather. But other than that, you know, it's worn really nicely. It's in need of a cleaning right now, but it's not too bad. But definitely looking forward to these guys, which hopefully will wear very similarly. It'll also be really easy to maintain. Here's a side by side. Gotta love the Chicago color blocking. Looks really clean. So while the purple leather seems almost identical in texture to the blue leather, the white on the Game Royals has much less texture than that of the Core Purples. Now, from a distance you don't even notice. It really depends which you prefer. The Game Royal does seem a little bit higher quality in that area. This seems a bit more, I don't know, rubbery, but I suppose it's all real leather. Also notice the sock liner is quite a little different than my other retros. It's more of a spongy sort of athletic material compared to the Game Royals, for example, which is more of a like open pore fabric kind of design. This is actually pretty similar to some mids I have, just the material itself. Also, while they're both made in China, this tag is quite a bit different, and just the way it's styled, but obviously nothing major there, just a little detail I picked up on. This is what I was talking about. You can pretty clearly see how different it is, plus that tag. If you know Jordans, you know what the tag looks like, yeah. Finally got the shoe laced up. Looks good with the black laces, I think. I may try and cop some purple laces that match the leather of the shoe, but for now I'm going to rock the black ones for sure, as those purple ones that came with the shoe just do not match at all. I don't even know why they would do that. Also, one other small detail I noticed is that if you look at the Game Royals over here, the black leather up here around the sock it's kind of a very flat and very smooth leather, very similar to the blue leather we got over here. But on the Core Purple 2s, we got the more textured leather up here compared to the soft leather here. I kind of like it. It's a little bit different, you know, different sort of textures going on, which is nice. Also, this material is a bit softer, easier to slide a sock in for sure compared to this. I know this stuff's kind of prone to tearing in some places over time. Mine haven't yet though, so I'm pretty happy about that. But overall, really happy with these shoes. I'm not a reseller. I'm just kind of collecting these things. I wear them all the time. Unfortunately, these won't be worn for a while because of this whole quarantine situation. But yeah, that's basically it for this video, guys. If you guys have any questions about the quality or just overall how the shoe is, just let me know.